Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set your Windows 11 system to download from anywhere. So for example, if you want to download app, usually by default or recommended, system will be open on the Microsoft Store. So if you want to download software, Microsoft Store will pop up and Windows 11 will recommend you to download from Microsoft Store only. This one. So here you can download like favorite games, favorite top free apps, and so on. But you can also download from other sources by activate this mode or activate this option. You can go to the settings, and here you can access apps. Click it, and here under install apps there is advanced app settings. Choose where to get apps, archive apps, and uninstall updates. Click it, and here we go. Choose where to go. Choose where to get apps. You can click anywhere or anywhere, but let me know if there's a comparable app in the Microsoft Store. Anywhere, but warn me before installing an app that's not from Microsoft Store. By default is Microsoft Store only. This is the recommended. So if you want to not get distracted by the system, you can just choose anywhere. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.